Hey guys, it's Chris with marketing3sm.com, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $100 a day by just using your smartphone and taking photos. Yes, that's correct. There is a very nice app out there for a very nice and legit service that you can use your phone and make $100 a day, and I'm gonna give you all details in just a second. Before we go ahead and start this video, let me go ahead and invite you to click the description below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house every single day. And also, if you haven't already and you like the content of this video and any of the videos I do, click the thumbs up so you can see all the videos I'm coming in, and do subscribe on my channel so you can follow as well. So with no further ado, let's go and see about this amazing app and that how you can use your phone and make money of it. The app, guys, is called Field Agent. It's called fieldagent.net. I don't know if you are able to see the URL from here, but you will be able to find everything in the description below this video, so how you can start. And let me tell you what this does. You're becoming an agent for these persons, and what happens is that companies are hiring you to go and see if the different stores in different countries, which when I talked in a bit which countries are available, is not just for the US. Before you ask and say that because most of the program is just for the US, this is for more countries, and I will show you in a bit. So stick with me and I'll show you how to use this. And what happens is that a lot of companies that are paying major stores, supermarkets, or how you call them, they want to see if the stores actually keep their products in a good place. If their product ran out, did they go and replace it? Did they keep the advertisement place that they're paying to have it well? So this is what you do. You're becoming an agent for this store. So as you can see, make money with your phone, become an agent, join more than 1 million who have already downloaded the Field Agent mobile app. So more than 1 million. You can see from here that it is legit, and you can see from here what you will do. What is the major question you can do? So let's say, for example, from Field Agent, are my displays properly executed in a store? So you'll be given, let's say from Duracell, a task to see if their corner, let's say that their advertising is properly there, if they have all the stock there, if it's properly maintained and so on. Is it clean? Another question, are my products on shelf and in stock? And you can see here a picture that stuff is missing. Other question, are my products priced correctly inside the stores? Because it happens a lot of times when you have a resilient of products in the stores that you put by mistake a different product that is less cheap or more expensive than yours, and they put it on the wrong price tag with a different description, and somebody goes to pick it up and go to the cashier, and then they tell you this is more expensive, and you get frustrated and you don't buy it, and then you are pissed at the brand instead of the store, and said I'm not gonna buy this brand as well. So it's a big issue for them to know that all these things actually happen, and it keeps going from there. What do planograms look like in the stores? So is everything look nice and tidy? How are my competitors marketing their goods? So you can have the Field Agent go and see the competition. Let's say how they have their corner in the shop with their products. In this example here, they have the different beer brands that they show. How do shoppers think? What do shoppers think about my products? And it goes from there. And you can see the stores. Once you click here, I'm not gonna take you through there because I want to keep it simple and fast. It works. Go for it. It's tested. You can make a good amount of money. Let me go and show you actually how much you can do. There is a review says that you can make from actual agents. You can make up to $100 per day using the Field Agent app, and I'll show you just in a second how to do. Want to make it quick, $12 per hour by doing under minutes of work, because this is what's gonna take you, guys. It's gonna take you less than 5 minutes to grab your phone, go to the actual store and take the photo. So all you need to do from the app, take the photo, upload it, and that's it. So what is a Field Agent? Field Agent is a smartphone app that will award you $3 to $8 per task per your smartphone, but because based on your time it will go even more. So you can see from here, adding the numbers together, it can give you up to $100 a day by using this app. So I did a little bit more of research, and you can see if you type in your Google Field Agent Pay, jobs typically pay between $1 and $12 each. But guys, again, this is an average, and this depends also on the country as well. So let me go back on the site, and because people definitely have question, is this working for my country or I'm wasting my time here? So let me show you where you can find this. Yeah, you can go and browse through the different points they have here, and you can see where you can use this in consumer goods, in retailers, in agencies, in beverage, restaurants, academies. So it's a lot of opportunity for this, and you can see that this is reviewed by a lot of Bloomberg, Business Insiders, Today, Forbes, and so on. But what I would like you to see, which is the most important question if you're watching this video, is just to see if this is for you as well. But if you don't see your country here, don't get disappointed, because you can ask them to become an agent in a country based on the needs. So Field Agent has a global network of more than 1 million agents in 7 countries and growing. That's what we love, and growing. Currently in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, South Africa, Mexico, Romania, and they keep searching for solutions for other countries. So you can see the countries here. And for you guys, if your country is not here, this is a nice and interesting part. Want to take the field agent into a new country? Click here to learn more. So if you don't see it here, it's a very good opportunity to bring it to a new country, to your country. You can become the agent as well. You can start working for them as well, and you can increase, not just as an agent, you can become a retailer for the whole solution. So amazing, very simple. All you need to do is download the app, and how you do this is just scroll up, and where was it? Yeah, there you go. On the very top, scroll down a little bit, and all you have to do is click the app users, click here, and it will take you to you can see a small video here on how to do it, and you can see here you can go to the App Store or get it on Google Play, download it, and start using it and get money out of it. Guys, very short, simple video on how you can do this. I love this app. It's tested. I tried. My feedback on this one is that you can get 48 hours payment after you do your work. So after you submit it, after 48 hours, you will be able to get it through PayPal. And there is no minimum amount of money you need to gather. So some programs out there, they said you have to gather $100, $200, $300 in order to start paying you out. This is not the case. 48 hours after you submit, you get the payment done on your PayPal account. So this is it, guys. fieldagent.net. You'll find the description below. I hope you really like and enjoy this video. If you find the content valuable, please do go ahead and subscribe the channel, hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I would like to have you as part of my channel, and then get your feedback and comments on the videos we release. And as always, guys, this is a very good opportunity to make money, but as always, I do invite you to click the link below this video to see my #1 recommendation and follow it for even better, more financial freedom for you and income to take care of your expenses and see a lot of difference in your life like I did. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Have an amazing day ahead, and see you to the next one. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.